Welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are gonna talk about Steghide. Most folks think a pic is just a pic, a selfie, a fat shot, a random vacation post. But what you don't realize is an image can low-key carry hidden or even malicious data inside it. That's why terrorists, corporate spies, or shady actors ain't always using WhatsApp, Messenger, emails, or sketchy links. No more, cause those get washed. Instead they'll just drop a normal looking photo on Facebook, maybe a travel pic, a restaurant snap, or chill selfie while someone's out enjoying life. To everybody else it's like, oh cool, they're traveling, but behind the scenes that image could be moving serious info without raising a single red flag. That's the scary part. Images look innocent, slide right through, and most people don't even notice anything is possible. Most people think a pic just a pic, but what you don't realize is image can low-key hide extra data using a concept called steganography. This stuff gets used both for privacy and sometimes for malicious purposes. That's why cybersecurity experts learn how to spot it, not abuse it. This video is for educational and defensive awareness only. Never use these techniques for anything illegal. Now we are gonna jump into this product right now. Think of it like what inside this folder. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt update is used to refresh the package. Password. Sudo apt upgrade. Sudo apt upgrade is used to install the latest version of all upgradable packages. Sudo apt install Steghide. Sudo apt install Steghide. It just downloads and installs Steghide on your system so you can use it right away. Steghide help show me all the commands and options I can use this Steghide. Stego file encryption embedded file. Going to make a text file in this location. Pass mail input.txt class mail input.txt. Task mail input.txt just whips up an empty text file you can start dumping data into. Okay, nano input dot txt. Nano mail input dot txt opens the file in the simple terminal editor, so you can type, save and bounce out fast. This is the secret data. Save, control O, enter, control X. Right. Text cover you are basically stuffing a secret text file into an image without any on notice. Remove. Think of it like what inside this folder. There is no file, text file in this folder right now. The malicious data embedded on this image. Now we want to extract this file. Let's take file, extract. File. Sorry. This is the malicious input. This is the malicious input data.